Pay attention, because the product we are about to share with you is destined to be the next bottled water or energy drink phenomenon, and you're in position to get involved on the ground floor and earn your share of the huge profits that will be generated. It's not another lotion, potion, drink, or pill. It's a completely new concept and supplementation that appeals to multiple multi-million-dollar marketplaces, including sports and fitness, hangovers, seniors, weight loss, mental focus, stress relief, and altitude acclimation. And what makes things even more exciting is at this point, the product has virtually no competition. It just doesn't get any better. For once in your life, you are in the right place at the right time, and you have the opportunity to jump on this explosive product before it hits the masses, but only if you act quickly. Remember, people who know how to make big money have the vision to see future trends before they happen. And now, it's your turn. Simply enter your name, email, and a valid phone number to have all of this exciting information revealed to you right now, including product information, big name athlete endorsements, and detailed information on our proprietary business building system that will help you explode your business.